So a box just showed up today from Wizards of the Coast, addressed to me. It could be my store order. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm not employed there anymore, so I thought we could open this together and find out what I got. Hi, I'm John, and you're watching Dragons and Flagons. So, 2 months ago, my department was laid off at Wizards of the Coast, but last February, so what, 5-6 months ago, something along those lines, and when I started, well before then, there was a company store where you would earn points every month, and then with those points you could trade them in for books and things like that. So that's how I got all those books back there, as well as magic cards. Then they ended it around February or March or something along those lines. They shut down the store, and people were really bummed, and they talked about opening it back up. My department was closed since then, so I never really got to see what they've opened it up to, but I did have some outstanding orders. I believe this might be one of them, but I have a nice spreadsheet that says this box should be a lot bigger, so I thought let's open this together, see what's inside, and really just kind of see what we got here today. So the last time I used this setup, I noticed that there was quite a bit of camera shake, so I'm gonna do my best to avoid that. Got my knife. I don't know what's exactly in here, so I'm just gonna cut kind of lightly. Hopefully not shaking too much, but I don't want to cut something that I don't need to. Now, from what I remember with my last store order from Wizards, they should get me, I should be receiving some magic cards and a couple other things. So this is definitely not the entire order, but yeah, it looks like we have the March of the Machines, the MOM set. It's the entire set here, if you have ever seen these before. It's the regular set, so there's no foils or anything if you're not a Magic person. But yeah, it's a pretty nice little gift that they give. As well as the entire booster box here. March of the Machines, the draft booster box. I think it's 32 packs of cards. And yeah, if you're a Magic fan, this is a pretty nifty thing. I actually have a couple over here that I'm using that I've received in the past that I use as a weight. So more paperweights. And Tyranny of Dragons. Nice little book. I'm gonna get this box out of the way. I might have to do a quick walkthrough of what this book is, and if there's any differences in, because it's a reprint, see if there's any differences in the old Hoard of the Dragon Queen and what was it, Rise of Tiamat, I believe. But yeah, I mean, it's a Wizards book. I mean, it looks nice. The art is typically great, as long as we're not AI generating weird thumbs. Yeah, it looks like there's our Tyranny of Dragons, Rise of Tiamat, and then I'll bet we have the other one in here somewhere. Maybe I just missed it. But yeah, maybe I'll do a whole review of this if that sounds something that's interesting to anybody else. So yeah, it's nice to get a pleasant little surprise a few months after you've left the company. Looking through my records, it looks like there's about 6 Dungeons and Dragons book that I'm still expecting, so I'm keeping tabs. When they show up, we'll open them together. Well, if this is something interesting to you, like, subscribe, do all the normal YouTube things, and until next time, I'll see you later.